Hi, this is Imtiaz Ahmed from Noakhali Science and Technology University. Today I am going to show the basic Unix command. For this I will use Debian, which is the version of Linux operating system. So first of all, you must have VirtualBox. By using VirtualBox you can use this Unix command. Here is the syntax, here is the indexing of this command. So we will use this command, we will use Unix command to perform this Unix. First of all, you must open Oracle virtual machine. Then after Oracle virtual machine, then you have to login button. Here is the login button. Then so now this is the control. So now this is the command box. Control Shift and then F6. Now here is my login name, so I will put my name. Okay, in that, then password, I will put my password. Okay, I have input my, okay, I have logged in successfully. Now I will test it whether it's working or not. So I will put now ls-l, this is the directory file. Here we can see the direction of various files. This is, now I will move on the graphical user system file. Here is our my graphical user file. So now I will perform another command. Now I will change the password command of my system. Now I will type a command which is first. Now I will input my current password. Okay, so my current password, new password, then retype my password. Okay, password update successfully. That means I have successfully to change my password. Now we know the Unix file is organized various directory. Now I will show you the directory file of my systems. Now I will use some command to show the directory file. So I will type ls command. There is the file, equipment file. Okay, now I will see all file directory. Then I will type ls-l. Here I will see the whole directory. We can see the column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. Column 1 means the files directory, access permission. Columns 2, here is the memory block used by this file, and then is username, and then the admin, and then the size of the file, and then the creation of this file, and last is the name. Now I will see who am I. That means who is the man the system belongs to. Now I will command who am I. This is my username. Okay, now I will see who is logged in this computer in the same time. Now I'll type users, USERS, users. There I have logged in 3 times, that means showed imdad for 3 times. Okay, now I'll move on the next command. So okay, now press who. This is the time displaying of logged in. Actually I have some mistake. I have made some mistakes. There is the date and time formation because of my PC, but it's all over now. Okay, now we will show the logout system. Here is not logout system, so we will see the shell command prompt. Now I log out. Yeah, I am successful to logged out. Now again the login system. I can log in here with my new password that I have changed before. Okay, password. Yeah, I have successfully logged in. Now I can check it. There is a again graphical user interface. Actually I'm little bit weak in English, so now I'll check out the directory files again. Now I will see the meta characteristics. Here is the meta characteristics. What do we mean by meta characteristics? Actually we know the file system name is contains with many kind of alphabet. We use stars or interrogative sign to hide some alphabets, and that means, and it called meta characters. To know about meta characters, we first know about hidden file, that is shown here. Hidden files, we can see hidden files by using command prompt, that means using this graphical interface. So we will put the command line is ls space minus a. Here we can see the whole hiding file. There is local, nultias, new file, os, etc, etc. So I will create file operation. So write command vi Kaushik sir. Okay, now press enter. My file has been created. Now I will enter the file element. Okay, this. Okay, sorry, I have some mistake. This is my file, first file. Okay, then ESC key, then Ctrl Z for 2 times. Okay, now my file has been created. Now I can edit it, delete it, update it. So I'll check whether my file has been created or not. Yeah, here is my file that is called OS. Now I can check it. Okay, and there is a file Koshik. Now I can open it. Okay, this is what I have read before. Now I will edit this file. I will put the same input I had before. pi, the file name. Okay, file name. Okay, continue. Now I can edit my file here. Now I'll show whether my edition has been created or not. Now go to my home directory, then open my file. Yes, this is what I have edited before. It's worked fine. Now I will move the next command line, that is display the content of file. So I will use cat command of the command prompt, cat, then my file name Koshik. Okay, press enter. Yes, this is my file content. Now I will use the wc command to get the command of lines. Okay, let me see the command prompt. Okay, wc file name. My file name is Koshik. Okay, press enter. Here is 3945 Koshik, because of first column represent 3, then second columns represent 9 words, and then it is 45 words. Name, and fourth column is name. Now we will see the copying files command. How can we copy a file using this command? So see, now we will copy file, cp, that means copy, then first source file, then second source file. So our first source file is Koshik, and our is file file. Now I will check. Okay, file. Yes, this works very good. So now we are seeing that is works very good. Now we will back the user interface. So we'll see the renaming file. How can we rename a file? So for example, we will change the file of Koshik, name the file of Koshik. Now md old file is, first of all we will fill existing file, this is Koshik. Now we'll input the new file. New name will be OS lab. Okay, enter. Okay, now I will check whether my function has been worked or not. Yeah, we can see OS lab. Okay, finally it has been created. This is very good. Now we'll check the another command line. Okay, back to the we will use rm command. Rm, then file name. Suppose I want to delete a file, that name OS lab, then it will be deleted. Rm means it will be removed or deleted. Okay, we can see there is no file about OS lab that has been deleted for the command line of rm. Okay, now back to the user interface. Now we will see another command line that we can see. New line, what can we see? Like as home directory, creating file directory, removing directory. We can see what we can see. Now we'll open directory file for home directory. Now I will log in my home directory. I use home directory command, that means cd command. Okay, cd command, there is a cd command. Okay, now pwd d. So this is my home directory. After pressing pwd, now I will enter command like as directory name ls usr local. Okay, oh, cannot access দেখাচ্ছে, cannot access. This actually this directory is no exist in my system. Now we'll test it again. ls sr local. Okay, now I can see bin etc games included live man share src. Now we'll see creating directory from terminal. We'll use mkdir. Directory name will be suppose it can be document. Okay, document. Now I'll check it actually work. Yes, there is a file document directory file, it successfully work. Now there is distinct directory host creating directories. We have completed it. Creating parent directories, so we will create a parent directories. For creating parent directories, we will create a path name. Okay, this is mk directory, then p. Okay, put dmp file or bit imdad. Okay, suppose name imdad dul. Okay, now I check it whether it has been created or not. Imdad's home, then file system this file has been created successfully. So now I will back the file, graphical user interface. Now I will remove the directory. So what can I do for removing a directory? Now I will use rmdir command. Okay, rmdir, then directory name, is document, document. Then I will check it. Okay, yes, it has been deleted. So we will see renaming the directory name. We will rename the directory name. So how can we rename a directory name? Okay, I have a name is Shakil. Now I will rename it. So I will mb command, then old directory name is Shakil and new directory name is, suppose it, new file. Okay, it has been created, new file that has been renamed. Okay, we have successfully renamed our file. Now we'll see another command. This is the directories dot and dot directory. Now we will see the dot and dot directory. For this we will back the graphical user systems. Now we will make a command line to make a dot directories. So let's have a work. We will write one ls l a, then we can see the whole directory. Here is the different kind of directories. There is dot one dot, that is two dot. One dot means the current word directory. Dot is current directory. Dot. Now we will see Unix files permission setup. Unix file permission setup. We will see. Okay, let's start. Unix file permission setup. It has owner permission, group permission and others. We will see the previous command that here. Okay, let's start. What we can see, ls minus l. Okay, we have all have permission directories. This is the permission directories actually. Okay, first column represent different access mode. Second column is memory block. Okay, it's not our headache. Now we will see this first C character. First three character represent the permission for the file's owner. For example, rwx represent the read, write and execute. That means owner can read it, write it and execute it. Now okay, RXR read, execute, read. It means it has no write permission. When it has read RXR means it has no write permission. and R means read permission, W means write permission, and X means execute permissions. Okay, this is the notations for root directory. This is the root directory. We can see only R, it means it has the only root directory. Now we will see the another command line in our command prompt. Okay, okay, here is the here is the using symbolic mode, using of absolute permission, using CMD with symbol mode, using absolute permission. Now we'll use next command. Okay, ls minus l os. Okay, we can see this permission WXRXR X1. So then now we'll edit this permission. Okay, CHMOD, then space, then 0 O plus WX, that means read and execute permission OS. Okay, now we'll check it out. ls minus l os. Okay, yes, yeah, it has been edited. Previous it was XR, now it has XRWX. Okay, so we can edit user access using csmod o plus w csmod command. So this is the cmod, using symbolic mode to change permission. We can use absolute keyword to change permission, like as okay, csmod 755 means 75 is rx. Permission executes, read and execute permissions. Okay, the file, we will enter the file name OS. Okay, finally we will save that and we will check it out. Okay, ls, yeah, it has been changed. Okay, actually we have inputted the same previous. Okay, now we will change the file directory. So here is various files directory. Now we will change it. Now we'll change the directory of several files. Okay, XOR, we'll change it. How can you change it? Okay, so this is the overall changing permission process. Thank you for watching my video. Good luck.